So my name is Balázs Kis. I work for a company called NeocoreGames. We make games for PC, PlayStation and Xbox, and we are working on an RPG game currently. I handle the 3D scanning parts of humans in the company. Well, we mostly tried photo scanning and implemented it in the workflow, but it had several issues. The system is not mobile and we have to use extreme amount of lights, and also the characters must be painted to white almost completely. We did photo scanning of certain areas, like a ground surface of a few square meters, which were extremely detailed, but we were able to scale it up to a much larger proportion. And this could work in 3D as well. The problem with that is that it requires thousands of photographs if you use photo scanning, and it's not always as clear as it should be. I'm familiar with 3D scanning technology for over 20 years. I tried several different routes, and we are constantly trying to improve what we are doing. We went through a couple of options. We found a person who owns one of these scanners, and we took a look and it seemed promising, and then we decided to give it a go, and we bought the Libre, and it turned out to be perfect. This is the EinScan Libre we acquired recently, and I think the main use case is going to be human faces. I mean, it's so simple. It takes half a minute to scan someone, and you press the mesh, and then it gives you pretty much perfect data out of the box. So it's pretty easy to use, I must say. Well, after we capture someone's face or entire head in some of the cases, we gave the data to some of our 3D artists, and then they do a technical part, which is pretty much remodeling the head into a more usable format with less polygons and a more clear topology, so the animators can work with it. This is much faster if you have a 3D scan data. Otherwise, you would need extremely trained artists, and it would take them a much longer time to achieve the same result and quality. We also have a team dedicated to outside areas and all kinds of, rocks, trees, whatever. Previously, they used photo scanning and drones, but this is going to be a perfect solution for certain things that we couldn't do with those technologies.